Good afternoon, folks. We're live at 2:14 p.m. and we are battling for Matthew's AFA Princess Leia. There she is. I got 60 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. Paste them in there. There they be. 1 through 60. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 5, which means we're good to go, people. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to get right to it. Michael takes round 1. Todd round 2. Scott round 3. And round 4. And our winner is Andrew Dean. In at number 52. Congrats, sir. Here's our official results. And verification code PUPTKZ. Andrew Dean, number 52, is the champ of this battle. Sorry for the delay on this one, guys. I'm done at 2:15. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Andrew in at number 52. Congratulations. See you next time, guys. Thanks.